In today's class, we will discuss aromaticity. Aromaticity is a special type of stability due to delocalization of pi electrons. To be aromatic, the structure must follow some basic criteria. The first criteria is the structure must be cyclic. The second criteria is the structure must be planar. And the third criteria is each member of the ring must be sp2 or sp hybridized, which means sp3 hybridization is not accepted in aromatic compounds. The fourth, which is very important criteria, the total number of pi electrons, which may include lone pairs also, if the lone pairs are included in delocalization. Total number of pi electrons must follow Huckel number. And to calculate Huckel number, we have a formula which is 4n plus 2 pi electrons. N may be 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So the Huckel number will be, if the value of n is equal to 0, the Huckel number will be 4 into 0 plus 2, which is equal to 2. If the Huckel number n is equal to 1, then Huckel number will be 4 into 1 plus 2, which is equal to 6 pi electrons. So these are the Huckel number. We will discuss some examples so as we can understand the aromaticity concept better. This is the first structure in which there are 3 carbon atoms in a cyclic form, and there is one pi bond, which means these two carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized due to pi bond, but the third carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. We know that sp3 hybridization is not accepted in aromatic compounds, so this structure is non-aromatic due to the basic criteria that all the carbon atoms must be sp2 or sp hybridized. This is a cyclic structure, planar structure, but due to hybridization, this is non-aromatic compound. There are some more examples. In this example, there are 4 carbon atoms and 2 pi bonds, which means each carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. This structure is cyclic, this structure is planar, but the pi electrons are 4 only, which is not a Huckel number. That's why this structure is non-aromatic. In the third structure, we see that this is a structure of benzene in which there are 3 pi bonds, which means this structure is cyclic, this structure is planar, and due to 3 pi bonds, this structure has 6 pi electrons, which is a Huckel number. So this compound is aromatic. Thank you for this lecture, and we will follow some more examples in the next lecture. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.